I've been here for longer than you've ever known. I watch you discover me in different ways. I ignite your curiosity, your passion for exploration, as you observe my secrets. The vines and rivers are the veins and arteries of my very existence. My atmosphere never ceases to amaze you, a place to reinvent your body and soul as you hold me in your memories forever. The endless possibilities to discover life within me. As I exhale and you inhale, there are inhabitants who have found a way to share my story with those who come and go, passing their wisdom down through the generations. From the hidden corners to the lush canopies that shelter my forest floor, my mysteries are hidden all around, lurking beneath the surface, building a life within me. Feel my pulse, renew and refresh within my clear waters. You are from me, you are of me. I invite you to return to me.